Preparing for our spring Arkansas trip was slightly easier this time around since we had been to the area just 6 months ago in the fall of 2021. We met at a small barbecue joint to talk about our plans. The plan was to stop at the same Airbnb in Shell Knob for the first night, and then head south to the Ozark National Forest through Eureka Springs. The only difference was that we wanted to stay at the Wolf Pen campground the entire 2 nights while in the forest, as opposed to hopping from one campground to another.
Thanks for tuning in. Today is April 28th and it is Thursday, and Yev, Valak, myself, and James are going on a 4-day moto camping trip. I just left my house and Yev has left his house. We have a rendezvous point here about 5 minutes away, so we will show up there. James is going to meet us a little bit down the road, about 20 minutes. And we will be off to Arkansas. Tonight we'll end up in Shell Knob, Missouri, where we'll stay in an Airbnb. And then tomorrow we'll wake up right through Eureka Springs and into Arkansas to the Ozark National Forest. And we'll be camping 1 night in an Airbnb, 2 nights camping, probably about 800 miles. We do have a little bit of weather, but we think we're going to miss it. We may get a little bit of rain, so we are all prepared with rain gear. But after today, I think we're golden.
Ready?
Hey, yeah.
Yep.
You got some strap flying around.
Oh, yeah. I forgot to tie that other side. It's just a loose end.
Okay.
I don't know. I can't find James anywhere. Can you guys see him?
Hi, Valak. I'm James. My name is Valak. Good to meet you. Good to meet you.
Well, we're all together now. Myself, Valak, Michael's over there taking his pants off. There's James. You can see him.
Right now you can go through water. Not in water, in rain.
After doing some final checks and putting on our rain gear, we jumped on the bikes and hit the road. I don't know if you can notice, but there are pros and cons to having rain gear that you wear over your regular riding gear. It keeps you dry, but in the process it kind of turns you into like a human parachute balloon. So you're kind of dealing with this flapping situation during highway speeds. But otherwise the ride was really fun and the thunderstorm clouds are really cool. The rain and wind weren't too awful, but we definitely enjoyed the break for some food and hot coffee. Well, this is our first meal break.
Half meal. Right.
There's a wild chicken sandwich laying around here.
Yeah.
After our short break, we continued to head south towards Shell Knob.
This guy's a little off his rocker here. He's doing some dancing.
The really neat thing about riding here is that the further you go, the prettier the scenery gets, and the twisty roads slowly begin to distract your mind off the riding fatigue. Just outside of Shell Knob, there is a scenic viewpoint off Highway 39. This is where you really begin to appreciate the different terrain.
Tell us where we're at.
We are like right outside of Shell Knob right now. This is a scenic viewpoint. We're almost at our location for the night. We're going to stop at our Airbnb. We decided to stop here and check this out. I think last time we came here, we didn't stop here.
No, we didn't.
So.
Did you stay dry today?
Huh?
Did you stay dry today?
I did.
Did you?
I think we all did.
I guess it's the Alpine Star stuff and the climb. Oh, you didn't wear your climbs.
No, these are the Alpine Stars.
Okay.
They're good unless it's warm.
How you doing, Uncle Valak? How's the Gold Wing treating you?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Feel more safe because new tires.
New tires?
Yeah, like last year.
Well, we're going to break them in this trip. James, we haven't even made it to the first night. And on camera here, we're going to let everyone know that he lost his gloves at the gas station.
I thought they might be underneath there.
Now, tell us about the women's bathroom experience that you had to endure in the last gas station.
Well, it was a long wait. The cashier said I could go in the ladies' room.
So no, you're.
I did. I didn't have a problem with it. But the lady who was waiting on me didn't seem to appreciate the fact that I was using the ladies' room. But I did put the seat back on.
Oh, good.
Well, we are here. This is it.
First day. Little rain, little everything, little sun.
Yep.
Not much.
Should be one of the buildings we're staying in. Hey, so we just arrived at our Airbnb, and it's a pretty cool place.
Very cool.
Yeah, we're about to go get dinner and get some rest tonight, and tomorrow we're gonna head out to the camp spot and do some off-roading.
Yep, 1 liter ADV style.
Yep.
So for dinner, we decided to revisit our favorite place to eat in Shell Knob, the Steak Inn.
How's the fish, James?
Fish is good. Enjoying it.
This is some deep fried walleye.
After enjoying the amazing meal at Steak Inn, we headed back to the Airbnb. And most things in Shell Knob are really close together, so the commuting is actually pretty quick and easy.
Oh no. Oh crap.
Oh,
That's just your highway peg?
that's fine. I just tried looking back and lost control.
Luckily, the Goldwing spill wasn't too bad and no one got hurt. Well, that's about it for day one. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next episodes.
Do I look like I go to the gym?